What is kidnapping in Oklahoma? Hi, I'm Ty Smith, Oklahoma City area attorney with Worth Law. And this is an important one to know about because it's one of those that you might accidentally do if you're a parent. So pay close attention here. So, kidnapping is defined in Oklahoma as the seizing, confining, abducting, or carrying a person away without legal authority to do so. And you have to have the intent, that's an important one, remember that word intent, to confine that person against their will, okay, in some way. So that's important. And there are several elements to kidnapping that the state is going to have to prove in order to land a conviction on you, because this is what's known as a specific intent crime. You have to specifically intend to do all of these things, okay? So first, it has to be the unlawful seizure of another person with the intent, once more with that word, to hold that person against their will. All four of those beyond a reasonable doubt, you can be convicted of this, okay? So common examples of this are that I see. If you are the non-custodial parent of a child and you take that child out of the state, you don't bring them back when you're supposed to or when you agreed to do so or against the will of the custodial parent, kidnapping. That's kidnapping. You've kidnapped your own child, and I think I did a previous video on that, so be careful with that one. And that's probably the most innocuous and innocent one, and then it goes all the way across the spectrum to human trafficking, which is obviously kidnapping because you're trafficking a person. Now, you're not without defenses in this. Notice I kept harping on the fact that it has to be intentional. It's a specific intent. And so one of your strongest defenses is going to be a lack of intent. You didn't mean to seize the person. You didn't mean to keep that person against their will. They could leave whenever they want to, okay? Now, whether that works or not is going to be completely up to whether your attorney is up to snuff on that. Another common defense is consent. You know, the person you were absconding with, the person you were taking away allegedly, wanted to be so. That one's a hard one because it's not always consent isn't always available. So if the person you abducted or kidnapped is under the age of 12, that defense is not available. Okay, so under 12 can't consent to it. And this is not this is not a simple misdemeanor. This is a felony. Okay, if convicted, you can face a minimum of a year in prison and maximum of 20. So not one to just take on the chin. If you want to speak to an attorney about this, you have further questions on kidnapping or any criminal matter, you can call me. My name is once more Ty Smith. I'm with Worth Law Office. You can find me at theoklahomacityaattorney.com, or you can call my office at 405-888-5400, and I'd be glad to speak with you. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.